This is Jared Young. He is the holder of the Guinness World Record for most push-ups in an hour. The Australian did a staggering 2,806. What benefits are there to push-ups? In this challenge, you'll be pushing up for 24 hours. Good luck with that. This is your body on doing push-ups for 24 hours straight. Push-ups primarily exercise the pectoral muscles, triceps, and anterior deltoids, building upper body strength. They're an easy exercise to do, not requiring any expensive equipment. But would you be able to do push-ups for an entire day? What kind of stress would that put on your body? Okay, here we go. For this challenge, we're going to have you do a standard push-up. With a straight back and your hands flat to the ground, your body should form a straight line. Push up to a full extension and be sure not to arch your back or let your body sag. Then, lower yourself back down. A study conducted by Harvard University showed that the number of push-ups someone can do without stopping could indicate a person's risk of heart disease. The more push-ups, the lower the risk. You need to be able to do 29 push-ups in a minute to join the United States Coast Guard. And depending on your age, you would need to do 17 to 40 to join the US Army. But you're doing a marathon, not a sprint, so don't try too many at once. You have 24 hours to go after all. The burning sensation in your muscles is constant and you'll be breathing harder. You've had to stop to take 30 to 40 second breaks after every 100 or so push-ups, but don't be discouraged. Push-ups rely on anaerobic respiration. You get oxygen through a chemical reaction as opposed to breathing in molecules. The energy runs out fast, but don't worry, you'll be able to recover quickly and get back at it.
Work your core!
By this point, you've slowed down significantly. Your arms are very tired. You find it hard to maintain proper form, and your recovery breaks will now be about 5 minutes long. Okay, standing up will be difficult now. Your body is sore and you have a hard time getting back into position to continue. You'll be thirsty and need a lot of water. Without these exercise and water breaks, you wouldn't have made it through your first few hours. Okay, fatigue has set in. Even if you've been able to get into a good rhythm of push-ups and breaks, the quality of your push-ups has deteriorated significantly. Everything hurts. Your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core are all sore. Even your wrists and feet are in a lot of pain. Push-ups build muscles. An intense workout can create micro tears. With enough recovery time, the muscle heals with new tissue, and you increase your muscle mass. No pain, no gain, as they say. But chances are, you are now suffering from severe muscle tears that will have difficulty healing. Your body is extremely stiff, and the cramping in your arms, legs, and core is severe. If you've made it all the way to 24 hours, you will collapse upon completion. You might even pass out from exhaustion. It will take a few days for you to recover from the pain. Movement will be difficult. Push-ups can be a valuable part of your daily exercise routine, but moderation is key. Overdo it and you could cause more damage than benefit.
My back!
Okay, now that you've recovered from this challenge, could you squat for 24 hours? Well, we'll find out on another episode of Your Body On.